how to get buyer traffic to any affiliate link, even if you're just starting out with 0 followers. Now, the biggest problem I faced when I was starting out was getting people to see my affiliate links. So I tried solo ads, I tried Facebook ads, I tried Google ads. It burnt a hole in my pocket and very little results to show for all of that. And after trying out a million different things and getting very little results, I came across the right people, the right systems, which showed me how to get traffic even without spending a dime on it. Okay, so let's have a look. So that's what I'm going to talk about, how you get this traffic. And if you wait till the end, I'll give you a concrete plan as to how to implement all of this. And also I'll show you the products I'm promoting, which have got me high ticket sales of $500 plus and even $2,000. So if you do not know me, I'm Nella Fernandez. I help busy people get time, location, and financial freedom through digital marketing. And even if you have 1 or 2 hours a day to spare, I've spent thousands of dollars learning these techniques, and I will be showing it to you for free on this channel. So if you're interested, hit the like button and the bell icon to be notified when new videos are out. So if you're ready to get quality traffic to your affiliate links, comment let's go and let's get started. So now what I'm talking about is organic traffic, where you do not pay for anything, but these are quality leads. Now it's all about thinking about how you get this traffic. Basically, traffic is people. So first we have to understand the journey a person goes through, and each person might be on different stages of this journey. So let's understand that journey. There are 4 distinct phases. So let's see what those phases are. So the first phase is when someone is unaware of their problem, unaware that they have a problem, and unaware that there is a solution for the problem. Then we move on to phase 2, where a person is aware of the problem, it's hurting them, it's something they want to get rid of, and they are actively looking for a solution. Then we move to phase 3, where someone has been looking for the solution, has tried a few things, but has not got results like they wanted to, and they are still actively searching for something that could get them out of this trouble situation they are in. And finally, phase 4, where they have got some results, but the results are not up to the mark. They want to scale up, but they do not know how. So now if you're a beginner in any niche, the best people to target are the people in category 3, where they've tried out a few things, but they have not seen results and they're still struggling. So you want to be finding solutions to their problems and assisting with the solution to those problems. And that's what all business is about, is finding a solution to a certain problem. Let's look at where you may be. You're looking for traffic to your affiliate link. So you are on stage 3, or you're in category 3, where you have tried out a few things, but you possibly not got results with them. And that's why you're still looking for a solution to get quality traffic. So now if you're promoting high ticket offers, you just need a few people to hit your income goals at the stage. So like I said, the best people to target are people in category 3. You can also try people in category 2 who are problem aware, but are still actively searching for solutions to their problem. So the next question comes as to where to find these people. Now let's look at the sources of traffic we are talking about. Mostly it's going to be social media. Now let's look at the various social media platforms. Now if you're looking at, say, Instagram and TikTok, mostly people are in category 1. They're either not aware they have a problem, or they're not really actively searching for a solution to those problems, or they do not know there is a solution to that problem. And they might just see a reel or a short or TikTok about how to solve their problem. So they are a bit interested, but they are a bit intrigued when they click through, but they're not hot buyer leads. So from platforms like this, you could get thousands of leads at thousands of clicks, but very few sales. Now, where do you find this category 2 and 3 people? The best place is Facebook and YouTube. YouTube is a search engine where people are actively searching for solutions to their problems. And Facebook too has groups where people with certain problems congregate and come together. So those are the places you should be targeting to get buyer leads for the products you are trying to promote. So now let's say a niche, people are trying to get out of their 9 to 5. They want to find a solution and they want to have time, location, financial freedom or so. Now people in this category 2 and 3 who are problem aware want to find a solution, and they make better leads. They are willing to invest and find a solution to these problems that they are facing. So now you have to zero down on an offer that solves these problems and put this offer in front of them. And mostly if the offer is good, they will buy and you're going to get your commissions from there. Now, out of these 2 platforms like Facebook and YouTube, I would suggest Facebook, because YouTube takes a bit of time to get things going. So I will see what is the strategy on Facebook, how you go about implementing this and getting these buyer leads. So now let's look at these 3-phase plan to find buyer leads, Facebook or buyer traffic. First, you start with your content. So people are going to see your content which intrigues them. So basically what you say, what you do, portray on your content is what will make people interested in what you're talking about. So basically, you're going to show them what you're struggling with or what people are struggling with and how they found a solution to it. So you're going to show them the struggle and the solution, and the product itself should be a solution to their struggle. So you might not have the results for yourself, but the product which you're promoting would have some testimonials, some results. You could use those results as something to start getting people interested in what you have to promote. So as you see, no one starts with results. Everybody starts using other people's results in the first place to actually get some authority. And once they start getting commissions themselves, they can show off their own results after that. You can also be making lifestyle posts where you show either your results, and if you do not have your results, how this product has been improving the quality of your life, etc. So your content is going to push people to see the product you are promoting, and that is a big part of it. If you want to learn more about the content, I'll leave some videos about here where you can see how to make that kind of content even without showing your face if you want to. Now let's move on to step 2. Your content should have a call to action. So a CT, as you call it, where you tell people to click through or go to your bio or leave you a comment or DM you a single phrase or whatever. And that's your step 2, where you ask for someone to do something and get back to you. Now, once you have done that, people are mostly will start leaving comments, etc. Now you're going to have conversation with these people. Now that's the step 3. Now you might be saying, I do not know how to have conversations with people, etc. I'll leave another video at the end of this video where you can see how it's to be done. You might think you're an introvert. I too am. It might not look that way, but when I'm in front of other people, I'm very quiet. I usually don't speak too much. So we'll see how to do this even if you're an introvert. So I'll leave a link to that other video. So how you're going to have these conversations with others. And in the conversation, you're going to push them through to the product you are promoting. And once they buy, you get commissions. Now, if you want to learn this whole system at a high level, I'll leave a link in the description, and it's a free training. Have a look at that, and I'll see you in the other video. Take care.